So we're getting it cracking on this flex fuel kit install. Like, people were afraid of money, but when in doubt, hit up Pat. So we'll be documenting a little bit of the process, and then we'll hit the E85 station in a little while and call it that. And then, per usual, the UPS guy came right at the same time, and I'm doing work outside. So look at that, the KWs are here, and that's gonna go on the car whenever. And then I'll be able to put the carbon stuff on, because I really don't like the look of them on stock height. So we'll be doing that. We got the sensor on, and now we're gonna be tucking the stuff somewhere back where it needs to go.
We're actually gonna disconnect it, do all the injectors so we can get behind it, have room to play with,
and then do it. Yeah, makes it easier.
Makes it a lot easier.
Right? Like there's nothing there. It's like we didn't even touch anything. Like, look at this. That is crazy. Like, everything is just stop. Everything is in. Can't really see much because it doesn't really look like anything, but you can see the power commander down there. And then I'm going to connect it to the app, which I can't record because I'll be using my phone, but eventually when I get my other phone back, that's what I'm going to be using to monitor the system. And then I'm going to get the E92 reader and all that, and probably Carly as well. But car looks fine. Like, technology really changed. Like, back before, you got to do so much to install a flex fuel sensor, and you got to go on the harness and tap it in, and go on the ECU and do this and bridge that, and so much stuff. And literally, you just plug this thing into the harness and you're done. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna start it up. Okay, has a check engine light on. Yeah, let's see what it says. Increased emissions. Let's see. Yeah. Well, let's see. It said you don't need a tuner or anything like that, so we're gonna look on the code reader and see what it says, and then I'll get back to you guys in a second. Okay, so I connected to the app. I'm going to do two things right now. One is check and see if the what do you call it, the oil change place is open. If it is, get an oil change, and then the next thing I would be doing is going to get some E85. So yeah, let me do that. So boom, here you go, the car's getting an oil change now. So after this is done, we're gonna get the first fill up of E85. So we're gonna see how that goes, because it's gonna be nice. Okay, so I couldn't get the oil change yet. I have to actually bring it somewhere, because they said they're not sure if one of the drain things is stripped or not, and they don't want to take it out and then end up having it be messed up. So I'd rather bring it to somewhere where they can fix it and then get it done there. So we'll just be filling up on E85. Alright, so this station has ethanol. This island has ethanol, and now there's a car that's blocking it. So Gotta wait. But 85. Alright, so my first fill up with E85. Boom, the pump's right there. One second. Boom. It says E85. So boom. That's crazy. Like E85. Oh yeah, let's check the. It says 11% ethanol now. Before it was at 10. Not connected. It's probably gonna reconnect itself in a second, probably because the thing turned off. Let's see. Also, it's not optimal for tablets, so I really will have to wait until I get my phone. But boom. So now it's full, and that was almost 30 bucks, almost 10 gallons of E85. So let's see. Still says 10%, and the tank is full. So I guess we gotta see. Maybe if I turn the car on and off. Let's try that. Well, still says 10%. Well, if anything changes, I'll let you guys know. Alright, well, I guess we'll do a driving test and see if it feels any different. Also, it may be because the car still had quite a bit of fuel in it. But guess we'll drive around and see. Faster already. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure it's doing something. But yeah, the car definitely feels a bit peppier. So yeah. Wow, that's only like 3/4 of a tank. Oh, 56%. Boom, so 56% ethanol. And the car, wow, that and that's not even in M mode. That's, oh my god. Whoa, wow. Yeah, I'm not even in M mode and the car feels way different. And this is not paid or anything. Like, I paid for this kit and everything, so I'm not about to juice it, but I'm in M mode. And this is in 4th gear, like it's pulling. Oh, wow. What the hell? Let me see. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Whoa, whoa. That's crazy. Oh my god, nah, this is, yo, and this is only 57%, and like there's places that you can get it up to like 70, 80%, and if 57, 56, 57% does this, I cannot wait until I get like 60, 70, 85%, whatever, however much the max is, because I really don't know, but oh my god, this is, wow. I really need to chill before I get in trouble, but let's give it. I'm gonna go to 2nd gear. Alright. Oh my god. Yo. Oh, this is nice. Damn. Yo. Oh my god. Yeah, this is it. This is it. Alright, I'll get to you guys later. Wow. So yeah, first E85 drive done. And again, that's not even fully 85. It's only 56, 57%, which is low. I believe you could get up to like 80 something percent on E85, and I could also run race fuel, which I do plan to do in the future. But man, oh man, this car, oh my god, it feels so different. Like, I'm not the type to hype something up, but I give credit where it's due, and I can tell you this is worth it, because think about it, this is stock with drop-in intake. Like, the only mod is $100. So think about when I do a cat delete, an exhaust, and a tune, well, X pipe, man, oh my god, I cannot wait. It's gonna feel so crazy. Like, my goal before the supercharger is to get is to have, what do you call it? I don't know why it looks like there's something there. But my goal is to have about like 400 to 415 wheel horsepower with just bolt-ons before the supercharger. And then with the supercharger, I want to get the 625 wheel horsepower, because it's a 625 kit, which means it has 625 to the crank, which is like 545 or 550. But I want 625. So flex fuel, breather mods, and the exhaust will do it. So those are my goals, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and you guys already know there's so much more coming. The KWs, the carbon aero, I might put the T37s on, so much more. So catch me in the next one, and you guys already know what to do, man. Drink water, motherfuckers.